right, back on the old 31 hot rod. A little bad luck last weekend. The 13th of June 2026. We didn't finish the feature race. Had a little trouble before the race started and didn't finish the feature race. Anyway, we're going to do a little work to it. I'm going to pull the valve cover off, check some valves, see where it's going. Let me set y'all up on a tripod here and see if we can't get a little footage today. Let's get to work. First thing we're going to do, we're going to pull spark plug wires off. And all of the other people who have helped and done things to get me situated and going. Sure appreciate the help. I can't imagine how much it means to me. That's probably pretty loud. If it's too loud, it's my AV guy. Hey, shout out to Zach. It's his fault for not take y'all up here. A little hot rod motor. We're gonna see if we can't get some stuff figured out. I'm gonna step away for a second, grab some tools, and put this back over here. Plugs out. Oh, we'll need that here in a little while. Turn the crank. Nice chocolate brown. Nice and chocolate brown. See, yeah, see. All of them look good. Looking for gap on the valves. Where I'm supposed to get my valves at. I'm gonna do these one at a time like this. That's good on that intake. Exhaust is it's got a little resistance, so that's what it needs. I'm gonna call it a good one. That one's good. That may need a little tightening, but I know when it gets hot it tightens up some, so it's got a little bit of drag on it. Don't have as much drag as that, but it does have a little bit. So all my valves are good. Okay. So that's a good thing. I hope. That's good. I won't have to take the carburetor off. Spark tester. I think it's called a spark plug. I don't know what it's called exactly. Anyway, to see if I'm getting spark. I guess I should tell you why I'm doing this. It died on me the last race. With check my new spark thing out. See if I'm getting spark. Well, Mr. Wasp, I really don't need you stinging me today. Last time I was out here, y'all decided y'all wanted a piece of my pinky finger. Didn't feel real good. But I don't bother you and you don't bother me. Sound fair? It's not gonna fire up. It's just, I'm just gonna spin it over and see if I'm getting spark. I am not. I don't think it's gotta be hooked to a spark plug, but I will check and see. No sir, no sir, I'm not getting spark. That will do it. That will cause it not to run. Let's see if we can figure out why. See if I lost my coil or something like that. I wonder if I can hook it to the coil wire. I don't know. He's going to come back off. So, get to my distributor cap. And I really don't want to have to pull my carburetor off, but looks like I'm going to have to. I'm taking the fuel line off now. Ooh-wee. Here we go. Video of Dakota's car, teammate of mine. Car sounds good. This don't want to cooperate with me. Let's see if I can get this one in. Maybe that one will cooperate later. I'm going to stick something down in the intake because I have been known to drop stuff and we don't want to do that. Last time something fell down in the intake, we lost the piston and the cylinder and it cost me lots of money to fix it. And I don't like that. I can find the right size here. We're standing here. Yeah, that seems to be the right size. Cap off. There we go. Let's see if the rotor's turning. And that'll tell me. It is. All right. So that tells me that maybe my coil's bad. I think I have a coil, if that's the problem. Let me turn this thing off because it's hot and I don't want to get shocked today or short something. I really hope it's not my MSD box. That would be most horrible because I don't know that anyone around here has got one. I could just go pick up and put in there and change the anyway, I was saying earlier, I know I am all over the place thanks to what's that called, ADD. Start working on something different and forget what I'm doing and forget what I'm saying. Yeah, let's go turn it back on. See if the coil's firing. I think I've got one in my truck, but I may have to go to Auto Parts and pick one up. I mean, it's not that far away. I don't think I'm getting spark out of my coil because I'm not turning the ignition on this, turning it over. That could be the reason it's not getting fired. That could be the very reason. I have succeeded in forgetting where I put my coil wire. It is raining here, sprinkling, drizzling, whatever you want to call it. but that don't mean it is at the track. So, put my fuel line back up. Y'all can hear the rain now. Great. Y'all would like to come help know anything about these 2.3 liter Fords? Would like to come help. Show me. Teach me, help teach me. Work with me on these. I'd appreciate it. I'm telling you. I struggle. My knowledge of this is not that great. I've heard other people talk. I've helped other people. And I got a text message. Could be from my engine guy. I don't know. Put the spring back up. Oh, I tried to fire this up the other day and I forgot to put the spring on there and it scared me. Oh, I got jacks everywhere. And this rain's not helping because grass out there, it get wet and I don't want to tear up the yard. Yes. Let's try one more thing here before I go to fire it up. I just want to. I don't think that end has to be hooked to anything. I think it can just lay here. It's not going to fire. No, it's not. Let's see. Okay, it is getting fire. So, I lied a while ago because I didn't have my ignition switch on, which would gave me fire to my coil. Oh, let's try this. Just the timing a little bit. We need a 15. Looks like it right there. We got a ratchet with a long extension. I may need another extension though. Let's clean tools off of here because this thing shakes like the dickens when it starts and runs, which it's going to do. It is going to start and run. I should have 4 of them in there. And I don't, oh, no, they're over there. Oh, never mind. Okay. Get a little fuel. Woo! Timing. God dang. Whoa, shit, way too much. Try a shallow socket. That deep's not working real good for me. Maybe that'll get around that ear on that distributor. Try that and see what that does. Let's go get a different battery charger. Woo! I don't know. I'm not smart enough to figure this part out. I really hope my engine guy can. He said it's pretty nasty over around his house right now. Pick up my tools, put them away. Hopefully he can get to me today. I need somebody more intelligent than me on these things to get this get this timing set so this thing will pop off and work right, run right. I have a race next weekend, and my engine guy's not gonna be in town, so that would be most horrible. I guess I could take it to my teammate Johnny and get him to help me during the next Saturday, and then go to the track from there. Switch off over here. I'll start Googling for me an AL6 MSD box here in a minute. Take my rags and wipe all these greasy fingerprints off of here. Car's dirty. I didn't wash it last week when I got in from the races. Been gone a lot this week.